Behold our masterpiece.
This is the best day ever!
Welcome once again to the beautiful Nneka Giant Village kitchen, where every meal is giant, every recipe is made with love, and every feast brings the whole village together. Today, my daughters, we are cooking the most colorful giant village fried rice. Nneka, let's go to the farm. I can't wait to harvest today's vegetables. Let's fill every wheelbarrow. Everything is fresh. Everything is fresh. They look so healthy. Unbelievable. These carrots are huge. I know, we've never seen anything like it. This corn looks beautiful. Yes, it does. Yeah. Fresh vegetables make the best fried rice. Yes, they do. These peppers are so colorful. They are. We've been blessed with an amazing harvest this year. This onion is heavier than me. Everything smells so fresh. Look at these. Ooh. Excellent work. We have enough to feed everyone. We've harvested enough. Welcome back. It's so good to see you all. We've missed you. Our kitchen is ready. Excellent work, everyone. Our harvest is complete. Now let's go and cook. The vegetables are so fresh. Always wash every ingredient carefully. Wow. These carrots are bigger than ever. Yeah. They'll make our fried rice beautiful. Let's cut them into small pieces. Perfect for fried rice. The green beans look amazing. Fresh vegetables make delicious fried rice. Look at all this sweet corn. This will add beautiful color. Yeah. I love these colorful peppers. Why? They'll give the fried rice rich taste and color. The spring onions smell wonderful. Fresh herbs always finish a good meal. My eyes are starting to water. That means the onions are fresh and active. The garlic is ready. Excellent. Every ingredient is coming together beautifully. Fresh ginger gives our fried rice a wonderful aroma. It smells amazing, my sister. Our seasoning blend is ready. Yeah. This is where the rich flavor begins. The chicken is clean now. Good. Now let's build our delicious stock. Carefully place the chicken into the pot. It's going to taste delicious. Every seasoning adds more flavor. Yeah. Yes, Grandma. The aroma is filling the whole village. That's the secret of good fried rice. Our chicken is perfectly cooked. Ooh. It looks so tender. The The stock smells incredible. Don't waste a single drop. This rich stock will give our rice its beautiful golden color.
Wow.
The rice is clean and ready. Excellent. Now we'll cook it in our rich stock. My daughters, the rich stock is ready. Yay. Let's cook the rice. Keep stirring gently. The color is changing beautifully. Look at this. It's ready. Wow. Look how golden. Perfectly cooked. Grandma, the rice is perfect. Now we're ready for the next step. Heat the oil before adding the vegetables. The oil is ready. Listen to that sizzle. That's the sound of delicious food. Let's add the ginger now. Perfect. Mix it well. Add a little more heat to that fire. This is looking magnificent. Almost done, ladies. Keep stirring, my dear. It needs to be mixed well. Here comes more. Careful, don't spill. That's it. Plenty of flavor now. The feast is almost ready. More carrots, sister. Looks delicious, grandmother. The peas look perfect.
Careful with that paddle, Mama.
Don't worry, child. I've been doing this for years.
Mix gently.
Time for the liver.
Let's mix it well.
Time for the shrimp.
Our giant fried rice is ready.
It looks delicious.
Behold our masterpiece.
This is the best day ever. It's time to serve.
Carefully, my daughters. A beautiful meal deserves a beautiful finish.
It's perfect.
It's time to feed the whole village.
Let's go and do this once again.
Thank you, Grandma Nneka. Yeah! Everyone is welcome. Yeah! This is the best fried rice ever. Food made with love always tastes better. Grandma Nneka, thanks for the food. It was so tasty and delicious.
Yes, we almost bite our fingers in the process.
It is my pleasure, my beautiful people of canVillage. Thank you all for joining us in today's NMA Giant Village Kitchen. Kindly like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be the first to be notified when next we upload a new video. Thank you for cooking with us in canVillage. See you in our next Giant Village cooking adventure. Goodbye.